Friends, we are going to make a trolley. Let's do. How about a motorcycle? So why not, friends? Let's start. First we will need some gear to make it. Then we will need bearings, and at the same time you will see that how we will make it. Watch the whole video so that you can fully understand the video. Now, friend, after that, we will need to make his body. What is his body? We will make it like iron straps and iron sheets at sea. If there is no need, we will also show the full video of the drawings. Friend, don't miss the video. As you can see, our motorcycle trolley at sea has been built. So now we will start it and see it run, and we also load something in it to see if this trolley is really perfect or not, is it properly made or not. So let's start, friend, to make such a start.